in my previous videos as well, and it's pretty amazing, and that's one of the reasons why I came here and have been. Okay, Tata, thank you. Okay. Yes. So guys, this is the shop. So right now I'm recording this using this GoPro app, and it's 4:06 p.m. and I just finished my college. And वैसे तो लाइक हम लोगों को लाइक हॉस्टल के बाहर जाने का लाइक अनुमति नहीं है, मेरा मतलब लाइक परमिशन नहीं है, लेकिन आज प्लान किया है कि मैं बाहर जाके रहूँगा, तो जा रहा हूँ अभी बाहर और ब्लॉग्स करना है। ये है, पता नहीं क्या है। तो बेसिकली अभी जा रहा हूँ मैं चेंगनासरी टाउन में, वहाँ पे जाके मुझे कुछ चीज़ खरीदना है। आई होप आई एम गोइंग टू बाय लाइक मे बी कोकोनट, no sorry, not coconut, what was that, yeah, banana chips and maybe some other things, I don't remember what to buy. And basically अभी बहुत नर्वस फील कर रहा हूँ क्योंकि बहुत दिन से मैं पब्लिक एरिया में ब्लॉग नहीं किया। अभी 1 साल के बाद ब्लॉग कर रहा हूँ, लेकिन मेरे पास ये मार्क्स है, इसलिए कॉन्फिडेंस अभी लो नहीं, इसलिए कॉन्फिडेंस अभी लो नहीं हुआ है, कॉन्फिडेंस अभी भी ऊपर ही है। तो यहाँ पे बहुत गर्मी है एंड इट्स वेरी ब्राइट आउट हियर, सो आई थिंक लेट्स गो इन द मार्केट एंड मेक ब्लॉग आउट देयर। तो ये लो जी, हम लोग आ गया लाइक चेंगनासरी की टाउन में, मेरा मतलब मार्केट में। और यहाँ पे लाइक इट्स लाइक अ नॉर्मल शॉप, राइट? दे सेल लाइक बैग्स, स्लीपर्स, बेसिकली लाइक मेरे स्टे में भी ऐसा ही है। एंड फॉर दोस पीपल हु आर फ्रॉम त्रिपुरा, अगर आप लोग त्रिपुरा से हो तो आप लोगों को पता ही है कि लाइक मार्केट में क्या होता है। सो दैट इज इट बेसिकली। सो गाइस, लाइक आई वेंट टू वन ऑफ द प्लेस वेयर देयर इज अंकल सेलिंग fish, but I was not allowed to like show his what do we call it, wholesale, I don't know, the real word for that. So I went there and he did not allow to like film there because of course because of some privacy reasons, and I respect that and I can understand it. And he was a nice guy, most of the Malayalis are nice, and he was one of them, like nice people. So basically this is it. This is the Chengmasari. I don't know what do we call this place. There is a famous restaurant there, vegetarian restaurant called Stravanas, I guess. And this is the Nitya hypermarket. The supermarket basically. And I was supposed to buy something from there, but it is closed. It seems to be closed. So I think I just go directly to the shop where they sell bananas. Crossing the road is going to be difficult. So वैसे so let me just cross the road. I don't know how to cross the road and it's scary. So as you can see, they're selling some spices here, vegetables out here, and this is a watch shop, and I bought so many watches from there. And in Kerala, tickets are very famous. This is of course the medical store, and this is the saloon where I sometimes come to like trim hair. Hello. Hello. Yes, YouTube channel. You will come on YouTube. So yeah, this is the banana shop, and I usually buy banana chips from here, so let's buy it from here. So this is how the banana chips are made, and I don't know the steps, but this is how it is made. So by looking at it I can tell this is jackfruit chips, and this is tapioca chips, and this is just like that. I don't know the name. I don't know the local name here. And this is called mixture, but in West Bengal, in other states, it is called chanachur, I guess. Not so sure about that. And we can find other bakery things out here. And we can find these dates, preserved dates, and it's quite common in India. And this variety of sweets are here, and these things are called, I don't know what was it called in Tripura, I forgot the name. And this is some kind of laddus, some other kind of snacks, and you can see like lot of chips out here. And this is like, I think it is sold per kg or like that, I don't know about that. And there are so many shops out here, like there is another shop out there, and there is a shop out there as well. So let's buy some banana chips. Tasty banana chips. So I think I'm going to buy one banana chips for me and my roommate, and I'm not going to mention about his name. One packet Atria. $280. Big packet. Medium packet. 70. Okay. One. So I just bought one packet of it. Thank you, sir. I'll promote you. So I will give. I am from Tripura, but SB student. SB student.
SB student. Okay.
I will promote your place. I will give location. Yes. So guys, this is the shop. I don't know the name of the shop here. They're very friendly. So come visit. You come visit. I'll give you the location. I mean, I'll give you the map. So I think it'll be nice. Okay, someone is calling me. Maybe nice. So let's interact with people. This is a content, right? I will get some photo. I mean video. Namaskaram. Okay. So this gentleman said I should make some vlogs out here and what is that? Promote these places. So this is the place, and this is a nice place. Like I have bought some watch from there, and it's really famous here in Changnasari. And this is the Chetai. Ninde shop. Okay, this Maji footwear. Okay, if you are in Changnasari and need any kind of bags, come and visit his shop. Thank you, Tada.
Okay, welcome.
Yes. Okay, I will. Can I? So they have so many varieties of bags, footwears, and yeah, socks, I guess.
Children.
This is for children. Price 200. Okay, it's nice. How much is the belt?
195.
195
Starting price.
And Ondo. One. Good quality.
Leather and
Yeah.
230.
230. Leather. Oh, sorry. Price. 150 range ഉണ്ടോ?
150 ഇല്ല ഭായി.
150 ഇല്ല.
ഇതാ സ്റ്റാർട്ടിങ് നമ്മുടെ ഇരിക്കുന്നത് 195.
195. കുഴപ്പമില്ല. ലൈക്ക് ഇറ്റ്സ് ഓക്കെ. Thank you. But I will show this. I will upload this. This is the medical store, right? It's a good store. Okay, this is the medical store in Chiang Mai City, and you can buy thing here. Thompson Medical. Okay. So can I make a video? Yes, I will just promote you guys. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, Tata, thank you. Bye. Okay, I mean, as I told you like earlier, like the people out here are very friendly, and like I have always been experiencing this, that people here are really friendly. Oh, copyright. I mean, copyrighted music is going on. No, YouTube. Get in my previous videos as well, and it's pretty amazing, and that's one of the reasons why I came here. And that place is really famous because like many YouTubers have come and made full vlogs out there. Vlogging.
Nuhulia tangi ching no chuka saka afa Bia lang sa gohan ay di tansa ang ya dofa Lama rimi kasle tongo komor mani lama wote kisil sinay sabo no Kosi si di jaya no Mung sa pano kanya tsugya tangi koke kotor Baitang nike hamya nugya bunyi bagay botor Masing kesang satung dibor wati wanay kotor